Hey guys, it's Ethan at Patriot Acura, your friendly face here. I wanted to go over just a couple new redesigned features in the ADX here. Follow me and find out. Now, I am in the back of the ADX, and a couple things I noticed are the touch responsive rear lights here. So you just touch these bad boys and they turn on just like that, and you press them again to turn off. I think that is a great redesign feature. You don't need any buttons, any of that jazz. Just touch them, turn it off and on just like that. Now, another redesign feature I absolutely love is these mirrors here. All the LED panels are in the mirror itself. So this is all part of the mirror. So when you're doing amazing makeup or any of your hair work, anything like that, bright LED lights for all your mirror needs right here. Now, they actually redesigned the paddle shifters in here to be fully metal, all attached to the steering wheel, and very responsive. So if we go to first, we can go to second, third, down to second, and it's very responsive, very immediate, and no shift lag at all. Very nice. Weren't those some crazy redesign features? I love the redesign features. Every year they come out with some new ones, and my favorite was the touch lights up there. Those are just amazing. But hopefully you guys love this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.